1990s onwards, economists believed that the economic development as a focus of economics or as a focus of the governments is insufficient. Rather, the focus should be now on what? The focus should be on inclusive growth. The focus should be on inclusive growth. Okay. So now I will take these concepts together, inclusive growth and economic growth, and I'll try to make you understand how they are different. Okay. So on one side, I'll take economic development. On one side, I'll take inclusive growth. Mains 2022 question. Inclusive growth. What are various impediments and what are various ways? How government is, what steps government have taken for ensuring inclusive growth? Mains question 2022. Get the point? Okay. So first of all, you must understand the basics. Okay. Inclusive growth and economic development. Okay. Regarding economic development, I have told you it is an end slash an objective. Then what is inclusive growth? What is inclusive growth? Inclusive growth is a process as well as an outcome. Outcome in the form of equality. Process in the form of participativeness. Process in the form of participativeness. All participate. Okay? And outcome in terms of establishment of reduction of inequalities. Reduction of inequalities and promotion of social justice. Social justice. Poorers getting benefited more. Okay, social justice. Okay. Clear? यहाँ पे economic development means enhancement in employment. Enhancement in employment. Okay, enhancement in employment. Government may not give jobs to everybody. And enhancement of employment is a bigger thing which requires very concentrated efforts. And how can people participate? It may become a unilateral process. From government side, they will provide job opportunities. Factory industry will provide job opportunities. People will get into the jobs. Okay, but what if people started finding their own jobs, making their own livings by self-employment, by putting up their own smaller entrepreneurial business and contributing to the economic growth. Okay, so it means they are not increasing employment. They cannot, but rather they can reduce unemployment. They may not keep themselves unemployed. They'll put themselves to some constructive work. So inclusive growth cannot be seen from the employment generation side. It can be seen from reduction in unemployment side. Reduction in unemployment. Reduction in unemployment. Reduction in unemployment. Okay. Reduction in unemployment. And this is considered as the core objective. This is considered as the core objective. Here, government will also put effort. This is considered as the core objective. Sometimes they may ask you which of the following is core objective. They will give all the objectives. This is called the core objective of inclusive growth. Core objective. Okay. Then other objectives are same. Poverty reduction, poverty reduction. Inequality reduction, inequality reduction. Okay. So you may write quickly. Reduction in poverty, same. Reduction in inequality, same. Improvement in health and education. Here, improvement in health for all, health education for all. Okay, improvement in health standards, education. Okay, here in inclusive growth, you have to make the process participative. You may reduce the unemployment, but you have to increase the capabilities. So improving the literacy, training, and skills. If government could not give a job to a skilled individual, but government have skilled an individual, he may start his own enterprise. He may start his own enterprise. Okay. Okay. Now, when I'm saying here you are providing a job, Here you are providing a job. Here you are making an individual capable enough that if he doesn't find a job, he will create one. Okay, you are enhancing the skill, you are enhancing the training and literacy. What does it means? Here, a definition which I usually use to tell to the students of Calcutta because they understand very properly. Okay, here you are teaching, you are giving an individual a fish to consume. Okay, here you are telling an individual how to fish. Okay, so that when how to catch a fish is the process which is called fishing. So here you are giving him fish to eat and telling him how to eat the fish. Here you are telling him how to fish or how to do fishing. How to do fishing doesn't suit much, how to fish. Okay, so basically here you are making him capable. Now even if you don't give him a fish, he'll catch one. You get the point? So in preciser terms, this is more focused because it enhances not only the productivity but productive potential, productive capacity, productive ability. Get the point? Okay.